Hi everyone, my name is Emily from Protect America, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Protect America security system with your Amazon Alexa. Integrating your security system with Amazon Alexa allows you to control your security system and your smart devices with just your voice. Let's get started. Once you have selected your Alexa-enabled device, such as the Amazon Echo, you will enable the Alarm.com skill. To do this, you will first go to your Amazon Alexa application. First, you must open the pop-up menu on the left side of the screen, select Skills and Games, search for Alarm.com, select the first Alarm.com, click Enable to Use, and sign into your Alarm.com account to link. Select Allow to give your device access to security features. Next, you will create a verbal PIN that you will use in response to security features. Since your Alarm.com skill is enabled, you now have access to your security system and the smart devices that have already been enabled in your Alarm.com app. If you don't currently have any devices added to your Alarm.com account, you can add a device by simply going to the Alarm.com application. Once you are in the app, you must navigate to the left pop-out menu and select Add Device. You will select the device you want to add and follow the on-screen instructions until the device has been integrated. Once your Amazon Alexa has been integrated, you will now be able to use commands to control your security, like arming or disarming, or checking the status of your system. You will also be able to use commands for your thermostat, lights, and your smart locks. To make a command, you will simply start by saying, Alexa, ask Alarm.com. For example, Alexa, ask Alarm.com to turn the lamp on. You can click the link here to find the full list of commands to use with the Alarm.com skill. Interested in finding out more about your Amazon Alexa integration? For more information and to watch related videos, visit myprotectamerica.com.